Storm, as Stacy mentioned, meant one thing here in Colorado: heavy ski traffic. Take a look at the backup this morning as drivers were heading westbound on I-70. And tonight, the Colorado Department of Transportation tells us to expect it again tomorrow. Travelers we spoke with today told us they don't mind waiting in the traffic if it does mean fresh powder. But safety, of course, is a priority for deputies in the high country.
Denver 7's Maggie Bryan spoke with law enforcement about the kinds of driving behaviors they are looking out for as Coloradans flock to the mountains.
Thousands of cars and one shared dream.
Wake up at 5:36 and try to beat the traffic and be the first guys in the ski lift.
After heavy snowfall on Friday,
we skied in Loveland. It was awesome.
Skiers and snowboarders like this group on their way back from the mountains are happy to finally get some fresh powder.
It was good. It was better than I expected, being still dry for a while.
But with the snow comes the traffic.
Pretty much all the way from the tunnel, it's been slow.
And the combination of the two can lead to safety concerns.
So I know people are excited to get up on the slopes, but just take it easy.
Sergeant Nick Abe with the Clear Creek County Sheriff's Office told me he sees one driving behavior cause the majority of crashes along I-70.
Honestly, driving way too fast.
And says the most crashes happen in the construction zone through Floyd Hill and between Georgetown and the Eisenhower Tunnel.
Everyone thinks that because they have four-wheel drive, they can still go the speed limit. That is not the case. So we're seeing distracted driving. We're also seeing that everyone is getting impatient.
Impatient after waiting most of the winter for some good snow.
The snow was beautiful.
Eugene Maroc says his normal 40-minute drive to Loveland Ski Resort took a lot longer on Saturday.
2.5 hours to get there from Golden.
Was it worth it?
Of course. Of course it's worth it.
His son Marco just happy to get some time on the slopes.
Do like tricks and new stuff.
Who teaches you that? Your dad?
No, I teach myself.
A busy ski day expected again on Sunday.
I'm glad we finally got a little bit of snow.
As many of these travelers have the same goal in mind. The Clear Creek County Sheriff's Office tells me if you're caught going 20 to 24 miles per hour over the speed limit in that construction zone through Floyd Hill, a speeding ticket could cost you more than $700. Just another reason to take it slow this ski season. In Idaho Springs, I'm Maggie Bryan, Denver 7.